Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I only have 30% battery power. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna definitely try and do it the best I can. Oh my god, I'm trying not to get makeup on this. Let's see if I can accomplish. Thank you so much for hitting that play button, by the way. So if you're new here, my name is Sashia, and today I'm actually going to do a Zara haul for you guys. Yes, this is my second Zara haul. It is a new series that I'm starting on my channel. My channel has been around for a while. It's something I did before, and I stopped because I started focusing on my weight loss journey. So today I am doing a Zara haul. I'm super excited because I've been waiting for these pieces to come in. I am revamping my whole wardrobe at this point because I've lost 50 pounds, and so I am trying to find my style again and find clothes that fit me properly. So one of my favorite places to shop, and always has been my favorite place to shop, is Zara. And so it's only right that I start with Zara. So my previous video, if you haven't checked it out, I'm going to link it right up here for you guys. It is my Zara holiday party wear. So it has a couple of outfits that I've actually been able to choose for you guys to try. So anyways, let's get back on track. So today I'm starting with a Zara haul. These pieces that I've picked are literally pieces that you can interchange and work with each piece. Like you can literally style these pieces together with different pieces that I've actually purchased together. The way that I shop is that I want to buy pieces that I'm actually going to wear, not just pieces that I'm just going to buy and have sit in my closet. I want to be able to wear it, and I want to be able to style it with other pieces also existing in my closet. So I'm actually starting this whole haul with this two-piece set. It's a two-piece set, but you have to buy it separately, and I saw it on somebody else on YouTube and I wanted to get it for myself. So when it came in, it was like, okay, this has to be the first piece that I put on because it literally works with a lot of the pieces in this whole haul itself. So let's start with the top that I'm wearing. So this is a turtleneck sleeveless top. It is a knit. It's very thick and it's very cozy and warm. I'm actually very warm sitting with it on, and I also have it paired with the matching trousers, pants, the matching pants. So the top, I believe, is $39. Oh my god, I can't remember the price. Do you see it here? Is it 29? I think it's 29 something. So it's a size medium. The top is a medium, the bottom is a medium. So the pants, I remember, I believe, if I'm correct, is $39.90. But I'll link all of these items in the description bar below so you can go check it out. So I'm wearing the top, which I absolutely love it. It fits perfectly. I was a little bit worried that this would be a little bit too small, but looking at the mirror, looking at myself in the viewfinder and in the mirror in the background, it fits actually perfectly. I do have a coat, long coat, that is a similar color, just a little bit lighter, and honestly, I love it. I just wish the pants had pockets. That's the only thing. So I'm going to back up so you guys can see the full outfit. So here I'm wearing the top and the pants. The pants, I love the way it fits. It really does hug my body nicely. I don't think I'm wearing the best underwear, just so that you're aware. So I really like this. When I get my hair cut and my hair re-dyed, I think it's just gonna look absolutely amazing together, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this is really great because you can pair it with some style sneakers, or you can pair it with some style sneakers and a coat and be super chic and, you know, just cozy. Or you can pair it with some really nice booties. and just put the trouser, you can pair with some really nice booties that has a little bit of a heel so it's not dragging, because the pants, if you can see, it is actually super long, so it is a little bit hitting the ground if I don't have any sort of like heel or anything. I mean, I can always pull it up a little bit higher, but you know, I do like the length of it. It's a perfect length. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm very tempted to keep this. Yes, I do like it. Completely me. I did buy these off of the Canadian website, so it might be a different price in the US and in the UK, so just be aware. So yeah, so I love this two-piece set. So I think it works perfectly for my lifestyle, considering that I work from home and I also have meetings in and out of the office. So with that being said, this is a perfect look to run into a meeting, to run into an appointment with a client, and you know, still look impressive enough that I can have a conversation and make an and still look business appropriate. So I think this is perfect. It's cozy, it's a knit, it's a two-piece. I can change it up, I can use the top, I can pair the top with a pair of jeans, which I've actually bought. I bought 2 new pair of jeans from Zara because one, I need new jeans. All my jeans or denim in my closet don't fit me. They're all too loose, but I needed jeans. Either way, I needed some long, skinny jeans. So that's exactly what I got. So I'll show you guys the pair of jeans that I picked up, both of them, and we're gonna try it on together. So I got the vintage skinny pair of jeans. So I got the USA 6. God help me. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but this is the wash. So I believe I got the blue. So it's high rise, skinny, ankle length. So we're gonna try this on. I hope they're stretching them because they look super tiny. I think I would have been safer with a size 8, but I did buy it. And so this is the lighter blue wash, and I picked up the darker blue wash. So this is a darker blue, and it's the exact same. The only difference is I actually did pick up a size 8. So this is the size 8. Very happy that I was smart enough to pick up a 6 and an 8 and see which one fits better. To be honest, I actually I like both the colors. So depending on how they fit, I'll exchange either one for the right size. So I'll try both of them on right now with this top, and then we'll move on to the other items in this box, because there's literally 3 other items, and I'm trying to do it all now so that way I can put this video together and have it edited and ready to go. So let's try these jeans on together. So guys, I'm putting on the size 6, and let's just say I don't think this is gonna work. So one leg is in. Whew. Yeah, I don't think. Well, something came apart. Okay. Just try not to. Okay. You know what? No, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. So unfortunately, the 6 didn't work. So we're gonna put it back in the box. This is going back. Oh, let's try the size 8. Woo! Oh my God. Okay, guys, let's do this. I think there's hope for the size 8. I think there's hope. Yes, a lot easier going on the legs. Perfect. Yep, this is a perfect fit. Okay, so guys, this is the size 8 high rise. So this is actually $39.90, and I'm not gonna lie, the denim feels really nice. It doesn't feel thin. This will last me. Like, I can wear this with a blazer and some heels and feel really, really comfortable. The high rise is perfect. Like, it's literally slightly above my belly button. Like, my belly button's here, and it's like a little bit of it, about an inch above my belly button. So I do like it. From the back, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna say it does my bum any justice, to be very honest, but I need to start doing some more squats. That is evident right now. But like I was saying, this top, I can team it up with this pants and a blazer, and I can go to a meeting with a client. I can go to the office. I can go out for drinks with a girlfriend, throw on some heels. Like, this is perfect, and I love the fact that I can cross wear the top with different bottoms. So this is perfect. So I think this top is a keeper along with the matching trouser, and I'm gonna keep the jeans. Yeah, this is, I'm loving the fit. So guys, the next item I'm wearing is the popular bodysuit that everyone is going crazy over. This bodysuit, the minute I put on, I'm like, yes, this is a keeper. So this bodysuit is a size medium. It's $25.90, and I got it in black. It also comes in white and this kind of peachy nude color, but that does not go for my skin tone. But Zara is actually coming out with a chocolate brown version to this, and it's not actually out yet. They put up the picture, but they haven't actually released it yet. So I'm thinking they're going to release it sometime this coming week. I've already put it, put my email on to get the alert for it, because I would love it in the chocolate brown. But I have it on also with the high-waisted black dress trousers. The pants, I'm just gonna look in the mirror, is a size medium. I think I paid $45.90 for these. So I paid $45.90. I paid $45.90 for the trousers. It's high-waisted. It also comes in the off-white. Everyone also bought it in the off-white. I went with the black because I figured it's perfect. It does have fake pockets, and it's super high-waisted. So I'll show you guys the whole look. So right now I'm wearing the bodysuit. I love the way that it cuts. It doesn't cut too low that my bra is completely showing. It's just a little bit of a peekaboo, but I can always pull it down a little and it wouldn't show as much. So there you go, perfect. So a nice little side boob, maybe just a little bit, but not too much. I love the fact that you can wear a strapless bra, or you can wear a racerback bra. A lot of the bras come with the racerback option, so you can do that. But just backing up, like, look how amazing this looks. So I'm just going to undo the pants so you see. So it's like literally fully, it's like a full, but it is a thong, so it does go in, which is perfect. So it saves you from having really terrible panty lines, and that's something that I always struggle with. So yeah, so the trousers, let me show you the trousers now. So yeah, I love this. A nice little gold necklace. I always wear my gold necklace. And you can put a blazer over this. You can dress it up and wear it with, like, if you have like a see-through top, like one of those nice dressy tops that Zara carries. I can't remember the name off of my head right now, but where you need to wear like either a bra underneath or a bralette underneath. You can also substitute and wear a bodysuit, and this would actually work if you're wearing a high-waisted pants or skirt, and it would just work seamlessly. Like, I love this bodysuit. This is a keeper, so this is staying in the keep pile with all the other items that I'm keeping. Yeah, so I better do really well with these videos because I need to pay for this shit. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, I love it. So let's look at the pants. So the pants, love it. High-waisted. Now, I got it in a medium, so it's not super, super tight, but I love how it hugs my bum. It's not like giving me camel toe or anything. It's nice and straight up here. It still gives me some room, wiggle room. It gives me a little bit of a wiggle room just in case I go for dinner and I have a little bit too much. It's still giving me enough coverage. I'm pretty sure I can go for a small, but I don't think I would want to, only because I do have thick thighs. Yes, your girl's got thick thighs, even with all the weight loss. So even if I go a size down, I think it's still going to be a little bit too snug for my thighs. And yeah, I think it's perfect. Like, wow, I love it. Absolutely love it. And I love it with the bodysuit right now. Like, it's perfect. I can put my black blazer over and it works perfectly. Yeah, this is a keeper. These two I'm gonna keep. I have one less item and I can try it on with the bodysuit, and it's another black pants, and this one is a surprising little piece as well. These pair of suede leggings. They don't fit, so I'm just showing you that here. That's my underwear, so I do apologize, but they don't fit. So they're super snug. It's not even coming up any higher on my legs. Like I said, I do have thick thighs, and I can't even zip them up. I mean, it's well made. I do think I would have liked them. This is a size medium, and it is $45.90. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. Hit me up in the description, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what pieces you love, what pieces you think worked well, and if there's anything that you already have in your closet, let me know how you're liking it, and let me know how you're styling it as well. The pieces that I picked are very simple. They're very basic pieces, but that's the best thing. When you have good basics in your closet, then you're able to shop and style around them. And so that's why I'm starting with the basics, because I'm rebuilding my wardrobe technically from scratch. So it's nice to know exactly what size I am in Zara jeans, so it makes it easier for me to shop in the future. And it lets me know also my style, and just seeing that the things that I visualize in terms of what my style will look like now, it actually fits my body perfectly. So like I said, the only thing that's going back is those leggings and the other jeans that didn't fit. So I'm going to return those back to Zara, and then you guys could hopefully look out for another Zara haul. The next haul coming up is actually going to be an H&M haul. I've been able to pick up quite a few very reasonably priced items, and yeah, I'm going to be sharing that with you very soon. So look out for that. That'll be coming up next week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.